Canva now has a built-in screen recorder, and there are a few ways to access it. You can get to it right from the Canva homepage. Click the purple Create a Design button, and a panel will open with several quick action options, one of them being the screen recorder icon. When you click it, you'll see a box with a purple button prompting you to open the Canva desktop app. If you already have the app installed, just click to launch it. If not, Canva will walk you through downloading it. Once you download it, look for the file under Canva's Downloads button in the top right corner, not in your computer's Downloads folder. That one tripped me up the first time. I thought it disappeared and downloaded it twice. The Canva app has a slightly different look than the browser version. The app resides on the bottom taskbar. And in order to use Screen Recorder, you will need to use the app version of Canva. With the app open, click on the purple Create button at the top left. To the right, you will see Quick Actions. The first icon listed there is Screen Recorder. Click on it, and since I do not like being on screen, I am going to push that box down into the taskbar so you can't see me. In the center of your screen should be a bar with the red Record button. Click on it, and you will get a 3-second countdown prior to recording starting. Go ahead and record your screen. You can pause it and resume again. The bar will not show up on your recording. There's a 25-minute timer on the bar as well. Don't go over that time or you lose the entire recording. It won't let you save a recording over the 25-minute mark, so do keep an eye on that. Once you have completed your recording, click on the purple Finish button. When you hit the Finish button, the page changes to Screen Recording page and you can see your video loading in the Uploads folder. You can also view your video here along the bottom, and your video will play by clicking here. To share or download your video, rename the file and head over to the Share button on the top right of your screen. Click Download and then MP4, and download once again. There you have it. Canva introduced a great new app and screen recording all at the same time. You can record your screen right inside Canva. It has never been this easy. If you found this content helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.